Let's take a walk through the Panorama one-bedroom suite at the Vdara Hotel and Spa. One of the first things you'll notice is the wraparound windows that offer incredible views of the city. Off the kitchen, there is a dining table that seats 4. In the living area, you'll find is a full-size pull-out couch and a flat-screen TV. Another TV is located in the bedroom, giving you entertainment options in both spaces. Let's go ahead and open the blinds to let in some natural light. These views are one of the highlights of this suite. Now, about the bed. Vdara advertises this as king size, but they feel a bit smaller, probably closer to a queen size, especially if you're comparing it to a true king bed at home. In the bedroom, you'll also find a small work desk with Ethernet plugins, perfect for getting some work done. Moving into the kitchen area, you'll find a full-size refrigerator with a freezer, a stovetop, microwave, dishwasher, and sink. Upon request, you can get complimentary cookware, pots, pans, plates, bowls, silverware, and more. There's also a mini bar with drinks and snacks if you're feeling indulgent. In the bathroom closet, you'll find extra linens for the pull-out couch, plus 2 robes and 2 pairs of slippers. The bathroom in this suite is a bit smaller than in other Panorama suites I've seen. Usually there's a vanity or power room for doing your hair or makeup, but not in this one. Still, it does have a soaker tub, his and her sinks, and all the essentials. A standout feature of this suite is that it comes with a washer and dryer, a rare convenience for hotel stays. Laundry soap is available complimentary upon request. Let's check out the view from this suite. You can see the Chelsea Tower pool at the Cosmopolitan and the Vdara pool, beautiful sights of the Strip and city of Las Vegas, especially at night. Now let's head downstairs to check out the pet-friendly amenities. Just off the lobby you'll find Memorial Park, a peaceful, quiet space perfect for reading or taking your dog on a leash walk. Right next to it is the dog park, where your pup can run around off-leash and maybe even make a few new friends. Vdara's dog amenities are actually impressive. Here's what they offer. Complimentary dog crates, available in 4 sizes. Dog blanket. Dog treats disposable bowls. Make sure to request the crate in advance through the front desk. Paid options include an in-room dog dining menu, although it was closed when I visited, dog walking and sitting services, a buddy box with curated goodies for your furry friend, and even in-room check-ins if you'll be away for a while. Whether you're here for a relaxing stay or traveling with your pup, this suite has a lot to offer.